Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 62 from the Regents review. This is just two functions and they want to know how the two functions relate to each other. They've given us the two functions here, f of x and then g of x. Now, if you understand the transformations, because we did these about a month and a half ago, what you should see is that f of x or that g of x is basically the same function as f of x, has just been shifted down to. So basically k is going to be a -2 because that's going to shift it down to, but we're going to actually graph these ourselves, and we're going to make sure that k is a -2 just to make sure. Okay, so let me go get the calculator. And let me see, can I move this over? May not be able to. Okay, so I'm going to enter the very first function. I'm going to make this x squared. We know it's going to be a smile, minus 6x plus 9. And then we press enter. And there's the graph. I'm going to change the color because we're going to use 2. I'm going to make this one red. All right, now, and I'm going to move this over here. Now, I'm going to do what the iPad says. I'm going to take this function and then I'm going to add k to it. But in order to do that, I need to store the number into k first. Now, I said that you should be able to see that this f of x is shifted down 2 units to get the g of x. So I'm just going to jump to the answer and I'm going to show you that. So let's go to the, let's see, I need this. And then I'm going to take a -2 and I'm going to store that into k. Boom, done. Now I'm going to go back to this and I am going to enter g of x. So I'm going to say g of x is equal to f of x. So I'm just going to type f of x. And then I'm going to do plus k. Okay. And I'm going to press enter. And you can see it has been shifted down. Now, the key is I am also going to do 62. So I'm going to do this graph first. So the minimum for the red is 3, 0. And then I'm going to find the vertex for the blue one as well. And so we're going to start here, pull it here. Now you can see they have the same x value, which is what we expected, and the y value is shifted down 2 units. So basically the answer for this is a -2. So in our answers, we would say a -2. Now, if you don't see that this is going down by 2, just try all the values in for k and see which one gives you that distance of 2. And you still should be able to come up with the answer, okay? We've done transformations, and basically if it's outside of the parentheses, that shifts it up or down. So we know that it needs to go down 2 units. That's why I knew k was going to be a -2. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post.